Alright, hello guys, so this is part 2 of our video on us making an arcade machine out of my old MacBook. What I'm focusing on now is I'm going to be working on the front ender, or the front loader, however you'd like to say that, the program that opens up when the computer starts up that shows the game selection. So actually I already have most of it done. Let me go ahead and minus myself down so you can actually see it. What we have here on the screen, we have a basic layout of the game. You can see that we have the loading tiles and the different pictures, and here's a look at the code that we're going to be using for it. And if you'd like to actually pause and look at this, you can do so. And it's pretty straightforward. Basically I have just a bunch of picture boxes that load into a certain file location, and in each of the file is either a game file or a shortcut to a game file with either a animated GIF, so it's either going to be animated, or it's going to be a still JPEG with a text document that says the information about the game, and a PNG icon photograph so you can have the logo of the game. And let me go ahead and show you what that looks like. So yeah, this is what it looks like. I have the game set up to delay 15 seconds before it starts up. That gives the computer, because it's not the quickest computer, it gives it plenty of time to boot up and get everything where it needs to be at. But yeah, once you have it booted up, you can go up and down to select your different games, and using the PNG files for the logos and icons of the games, you can see that's on the left. The animated GIFs are on the right with a little bit of text. Now for some of the games I couldn't find an animated GIF for it, like for instance Contra Hard Corps. I couldn't find a animated GIF for that. But yeah, you can basically put these games in there, any games that you want, and as long as you have an animated GIF for it, it'll animate. If you don't, then it'll just be a still picture. So whenever it loads the game, it actually loops through a list, comprises a list for you, so you can see the different file types. And I actually have the different file types. If I can bring it up on the other screen here, you can see that we have the selected file types, and if it's any of those types, it will open it up for you. A front ender, a front end, a front loader, however you'd like to say that. That's the interface that I'm going to go with. I couldn't really find one online that I liked, and I also couldn't find one online that, well, was simple enough that it got the point across and was easy enough to use that I could actually use it. And I just thought, I'll just make my own. It took more time to find the animated pictures than it did to write the code. Seriously, it's just however much time you want to put into it. Basically it. Anyway, thank you all very much. I will be updating you with more videos whenever we complete more of the arcade machine. Until next time, have a great day. Thank you all very much for watching. If you enjoyed it, go ahead, give me a like on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you all very much. Have a great rest of your day.